Keeps the load positive. Here comes Marner. Fire and scores! It's 47 seconds in!
Hello everyone, welcome back to Jab NHL Vlogs. Today's video, guys, gonna be heading back to the PNC Arena, Raleigh, North Carolina. Today it's game day, finally. I can't believe it's finally here, guys. Day's here. I'm gonna watch at least on the road tonight, playing against Carolina Hurricanes. It's Sunday, March 24th, 2024, 6 p.m. puck drop tonight at the PNC Arena, Raleigh, North Carolina. And I'm gonna keep this brief, guys, but I really look forward to the game tonight, you know. Hoping that the Leafs do well. Hoping that, we'll get a win, and, hoping that we'll play well. Hoping Matthews can score a goal. There's a card in here. Yeah, I'm just gonna go downstairs while I'm talking to you guys, but yeah, I'm gonna go to the game, have fun, hoping the Leafs win, go Leafs go. There's no food deals, unfortunately, because we're on the road. I know Carolina has a power play deal, but it's just for a biscuit at Bojangles, so we're not gonna do that, but yeah, go Leafs go. Hoping we do well tonight. And yeah, hoping Matthews can get closer to 60 tonight. If not, maybe even get 60. But anyways, guys, without further ado, let's just jump right into it. And let's go. Let's go. Basically, the nosebleeds. Here we go, the nosebleed seats. Wow. This is it. Outside of the ice again. Should be a good one. See both beds at least. Preppers. Nuggets. That's under seats. Wearing black. You're only wearing black tonight. At least. Oh, time for the warm-up.
Only one left.
That's it. Done. They're not done yet. Yeah. Wow. There we go.
Sheriff's Office Honor Guard. Now at this time, please rise if you are able. Kindly remove your caps and join us as we honor both nations represented tonight. First with the singing of O Canada, followed by the Star Spangled Banner. Performed this evening by Mason Greer.
the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets ran, the bombs bursting in air, came through the night, that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of
There we go. Oh wow, that was we win the face off. Let's go. Good start.
Go, Leafs, go! Go, go, Leafs, go! Let's go along with it. Let's go along with it. Hopefully the level tonight, really. Oh, pick it. Almost already. Almost. It's a good chance.
That was Shea, right? Brady Shea. Yeah, Brady Shea, I think. Oh, sorry. Get up. Oh. I thought it was a walk.
Carolina Hurricanes, goal! His 12th of the season, scored by number 76, Brady Shea. Assisted by number 11, Jordan Stahl. And by number 48, Jordan Martin. Time to go 106 in the first period. Hurricanes check the first period.
Take him as they come. Shoot! Shoot! Oh. Yeah, come on. Riley. Good defense there. Almost. Yeah, I think it could have been. They're looking somewhere. Come on. Get something here. What the? Okay, wrap this that one. That's fine. Wrap this that one. Gotta leave that one. Gotta do something physically. Fight! I wonder who got that penalty now. That's my question. Who got that penalty? I don't know. It might go even now. Maybe they'll go even. I didn't hear cheering though. I did not hear cheering. Yeah, it's 1-0. Let's see. We don't know who it's going to yet. We'll take it. If it's a power play, we'll take it.
Number 37, Carolina's got a minor for boarding.
Woo!
Let's go! Thank you, Rev. So far. Alright, let's go. Come on.
Let's see what.
No, it's a power play.
It's a fake one.
Let's go. Let's go. Americans don't know anything about hockey, they say. Is it true? We'll find out. Go Leafs, go! Go Leafs, go! Go Leafs, go! Come on. Come on now. Okay. First six. First six. Go Leafs, go. Leafs, go. Go Leafs, go. Go Leafs, go. That's what it is. Go Leafs, go. Let's go. Come on, get it up. Let's go. Rest hands up. So we're gonna PK. Yeah, PK coming up unfortunately. So we're gonna hear that. That was a score. We're gonna hear it. That is a score. That's so far. Damn, touch it up already. Just touch it up. Touch it up. I hear that shit. Here's the check. No, yeah, Carolina. Carolina power play. Unfortunately. Bad start. Bad start.
Good time for a short-handed goal.
Guys scored.
Number 76, Brady Shea.
Wow, 600 games, huh? That's cool. He scored two already.
And with his hat trick in Washington on Friday, Sebastian Aho has moved into third most points in franchise history, currently sitting at 547.
Doesn't mean anything right now. Gotta do more. Oh my god, what the hell is this? Aho. Yeah, Aho. Where's the cheaters never win thing? That's what I'm waiting for. Here we go, yeah. There you go. There you go. That's what I was waiting for. Oh boy. Even though it's
64, he can count. 2 minutes for holding HB7 the first
Oh,
period.
crap.
HB7, first period. Hurricanes are on the Powerball. Power play.
I don't even know what happened up there. I don't even know what happened. Another penalty? Okay. What? Penalty shot. What the hell is this? Reds suck tonight. So now they got a penalty shot. They better miss. Who's getting there? Jake Gensel again? Oh, friggin', let's see. Thank God! Yeah, take that! Yeah! Something good at least. Damn, I could have really effed this up. Or whatever, they're just gonna get on the power play anyway. What's the difference? Here's to get on the power play. Let's see. Let's see. At least top 3 minutes. I'm gonna go so far. Oh, I had to help. Yeah, we got the test out there. That's for sure. Oh crap! There we go. Nice play. Oh, there's 80. 80? I don't know actually. I don't know. I'm guessing it's nice. Oh, go. This is still time to score. Oh, almost. Holy man! What a save! What a save! Oh! Still this. There you go. How's there? Oh, go. 59. Oh! Hey! Oh, he. Oh, careful. Oh my god, please. This is annoying, man. Come on, you don't kill that much. You guys are ready to show. This is so annoying, man. Where's the score? Come on, come on, just keep it out. Let's keep it out. Oh shit, what's happening now? Let's just stop for no reason. What's going on? Gosh. Oh my god, that was in my face. I'm awesome. Ooh.
Bringing on the Powerball. Power play.
Just bad deflection. Standing up in a disbelief, non-happiness. That was bad. Better.
Maybe they'll bring the Zambonis out.
Maybe.
Maybe. No, they're not good. Here they go again already. What can I say? What can I freaking say, man? Nothing to say.
Carolina Hurricanes, go! His 31st of the season scored on the power play by number 20.
I swear to God, if it's
Sebastian.
the last 3 games have gone down 2-0.
Assistant by number 59, Jake Gunsall. And by number 8, Brent Burns. And the goal 13:55.
Oh, go, 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 go! That was, that like, that just came out of the gate. 88 out of the gate. I thought legit they were going to score there for a second.
One minute remaining in the period.
Oh! Damn it! Oh, it's a power play? I hope so. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 45 to go. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, hold on. Finally, I get to be on the good side of fans booing. Finally, it feels good. Man, I get to back on something hungry. Come on. Rest our time. Waste. What? Oh, no. Shoot! Oh, darn it. Garbage.
Good job, Toronto! You guys suck!
I hate this. Okay, difficult. Very, very bad first period, man. We got a couple power plays. Nothing good, man. They're not looking good. How can I be surprised because we're playing a better team back-to-back? This sucks. I mean, like, I'm sorry. I mean, Carolina, I mean, good for you guys so far, right? 2-0 after 1. This one? Yeah, 2-0 for them. It is what it is. We'll see. I like the Canes, though. This is why I'm disappointed, you know. It sucks having to be on the other end of this, but whatever. I've seen some Toronto fans. I'm not alone, but it looks like there's a lot more Canes fans than I was expecting. I thought it would actually be a lot more Toronto. I'm surprised that there was this many Carolina fans, actually. No offense to you guys, but I guess Buffalo fans are worse. At least Carolina, you got good fans. They're coming out, so I'll give you guys credit, but especially against an original 6 powerhouse like us, Toronto, so you know what? I got to give them credit. But we'll see how the second period is, the rest of the game. Fingers crossed. If I have to wear my hat backwards, I will. I might try that. But People are probably gonna laugh at us all night, and it is what it is, but we'll get through this. Alright, see you guys for the second period.
Please welcome back to the ice for the start of the second period, your Carolina Hurricanes.
Come out!
Oh! Come on! No goal! What the hell? Oh. Next one, this one. This one. Catch you on that side. Let's go first. And nobody else, I think. Maybe. Sucks. This really sucks.
One minute remaining in the period.
I don't know what happened. Same time? Really, the same time as the other one? Good luck with this field right now.
Number 37, Carolina, tripping.
You're Ron. It's not true, but that's for you. Wow. You should tell them cheaters never win. Ja, tak, jag ser det. Come on, get in there, get in there. Let's freaking go! Let's go! High five! Yeah! Holy shit! Oh yeah! Okay, that's all I want. Okay, I'm good now. Okay, well, let's get more. Let's go. I'm sorry. Okay, I might have overreacted. Go, Leafs, go! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Go, Leafs, go! Go, Leafs, go! Go, Leafs, go! Nick Robertson. Let's go. Woo! Oh my god, I needed that. I needed to get that out. I was waiting all night. Oh. Ooh. Oh boy. Okay. I'm gonna get it. Nice. Come on, let's go. Yeah, Robertson gets the first one. Come on. Let's do this second one. Come on, ready. Come on, let's go. Back it now. Oh, shoot. Oh! Okay, this way. I'm going to get out. Session out. Only one game. Keep it out. Go, go, go. Oh. Okay. This one. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, sir. Let's see. Oh, don't eat. He's left. Oh, no. Go. Try this one. Nice. Oh, no. Ooh, I got it. We got it. Oh, yeah, that's right. Cheaters never win. Woo! Yeah, cheaters don't win. That's 315. Maybe an empty net here, maybe. Kind of early though, so. Well, Toronto, one of the hockey gods give us a miracle here.
That was the stupidest game ever. Are we gonna watch it? I guess might as well at this point. Might as well watch this garbage. Might as well watch these shenanigans. That sucked, man. No, not too many goals. Now we gotta watch this. Might as well. We're here.
Come on, Chris. Come on, Chris.
They do.
Come on, Chris. Search all you want.
Yeah.
Tonight's win, Raymond Triangularity. 1,000 meals for our community.
That was a joke. 2-1 loss. I mean, couldn't come back. You know, I mean, they played last night. They played garbage today. That was probably the worst game I've seen. Like 2 goals, right? No. Did not know. That sucks, dude. I mean, 2-1. I mean, I don't think I've ever been to a game that low in a while. If they didn't give a goal,
Terrible idea.
it was just that second goal in the first. That's it.
Terrible idea.
I'm pissed off. My ears are gone. My hearing's still gone. I'm done. All right, I'm out, guys. I'm sorry. Hey guys, welcome to the first ever edition of Jab's post-game rundown. And this is going to be like the post-game reaction, but really fast. And this is going to be the new thing I'm going to be starting at the end of each vlog, guys. Yep, this is going to be the first ever one, the first ever edition of Jab's post-game rundown. It's basically going to be my, quick recap of the game, my overall thoughts, and just how I felt about the game in general and what happened in the game briefly. And I'm going to try to keep this as brief as possible. This one's a little bit longer. I apologize, guys. First time ever doing this, so yeah, so it might not be perfect, but yeah, just bear with me, guys. It's the first time I'm doing it, so just don't blame me too much, guys. But anyways, guys, let's get into the rundown real quick. So we're going to begin with the final score in this game, and unfortunately, the Leafs ended up losing in this game. The final score was Carolina Hurricanes 2, and the Toronto Maple Leafs 1. Really tough, Yeah, tough loss. It was a close game. I mean, it was kind of a boring game, too, with scoring especially. Carolina got up to a great start in the first period, obviously. Brady Shea, literally just over a minute in, got the first goal for Carolina Hurricanes. That was his 12th on the season. Really good for him, That was a really good start for the Hurricanes there. I mean, just Wall. You can't really blame Wall on the first goal. Second one was kind of a weird deflection, too. And, yeah, that one was by Sebastian Aho. He got his 31st on the year in the first period as well. And that was it for the Hurricanes. I mean, 2 goals, and that was it. First period. And, yeah, that was it. Yeah, by the way, guys, I will not be seeing the assists because that's just too much to remember. But, yeah, I did look at the on the score on NHL.com if you guys are wondering. I don't have a paper with me. But, yeah, so, yeah, Carolina Hurricanes did get the first 2 goals. Shea and Aho, and that was pretty much it. I mean, Sebastian Aho pretty much got them the game winner because the Leafs only got the 1 goal. And the 1 goal by the Leafs didn't even come until the third period. It was by Nick Robertson. Really good for him. 10th on the year for him. Got us back to within 1. I cheered really loud, guys. I mean, you saw that I really cheered really loud, too. You guys really heard that scream. That was probably the best scream of the year so far. At the end of the year, that might be number 1 right now. As of right now, that's definitely my loudest scream I've done. But I mainly did it because, you know, we weren't playing too good. I mean, we were, like, really sloppy. I mean, yeah, we were pretty much sloppy for most of the game, too. I mean, that was rough. But, you know, I mean, 2-1 loss. I mean, what are you going to do? I mean, you can't win every game, you know. There's only so much you can do. And also, another thing that was cool about this game in the first period for Brady Shea and Sebastian Aho as well, they're actually both recognized for milestones, for accomplishments. And, yeah, they both scored in the game, too, which was really cool. And, yeah, so basically for Brady Shea, his accomplishment was 600 NHL games. That was his 600 NHL game, which is really cool. Yeah, that was his 600th NHL game. Yeah, he got 600 NHL games. So congratulations, Brady Shea. 400 more until he gets that 1,000 game milestone, which will be a really big one for him. But, yeah, really good for Brady Shea there. And then also, Sebastian Aho got recognition as well. Literally right after Brady Shea. They both did it during like a commercial break. Sebastian Aho got recognized for 547 career points, and that was the third most in Carolina Hurricanes history. So he's got the most right now in Carolina Hurricanes, the third most right now in Carolina Hurricanes history with points, 547. Really good for Aho. You know, congratulations for him as well. You know, he's getting up there. I don't know who has the most for Carolina. I'm not sure, but he's got the third most now. Sebastian Aho with that goal literally got that. So that's really good, actually. That was pretty cool. That was a really bad goal, though, I'll be honest. I mean, it was a weird deflection. Wall couldn't get it. And yeah, also Frederik Andersen, Freddie, our former goalie. And yeah, now I know what it's like to be on the other end of the Freddie chants. You know, it hurts. It kind of hurts, to be honest, guys. They were really chanting it, too. I was really noticing that. The Hurricanes fans were really chanting, Freddie, Freddie. We used to do the same thing in Toronto, guys. If you guys are around for that long, when you guys remember when Frederik Andersen was leave, that's what we did for him. You know, we chanted Freddie. And yeah, we were into it. But yeah, Carolina Hurricanes fans, it wasn't really good to be on the other end of it, guys. I won't lie. I mean, it was not good. Fans were like cheering, and every time we like missed, they were really getting loud, and it was just very frustrating. I mean, we had so many chances and just couldn't get in. I was really hoping Matthews was gonna get at least 59 in this one, but he didn't. And it is what it is. You know, we lost 2-1 to Carolina. You know, what are you gonna do? And then my overall thoughts and feelings real quick about the arena. You know, arena, once again, really nice. You know, it's a really nice building, though. I will say, PNC Arena is one of the better buildings in the NHL. It's really loud there. The fans are really into hockey. You wouldn't think they would be into it in the South, but they really are down there, especially in Raleigh. Do got to give them credit. You know, they're definitely keeping, like, the Southern vibes going in NHL. They'll definitely be keeping their team. Because even at one point, I was hearing, like, they were going to move Carolina, and I was thinking, like, why? I mean, at the time, I was like, okay, yeah. Because they used to, like, have not too many fans before, but now, if you said that now, you would really, like, you would look kind of stupid if you said that now. I mean, they really come out. You know, Carolina fans actually really do like their hockey down there. So, really do got to give the Canes fans credit down there in Raleigh. You know, you wouldn't think it's a hockey town. You know, North Carolina especially. Very southern state. You know, very southern town in Raleigh as well. But, you know, they came out. They supported their team. They got the W. And it was really close. I mean, we also, our power plays, the only two power plays I think we had were, like, towards the end of the period. I think we actually, no, maybe we had another one, but yeah, it's been a problem with the Leafs. They really been getting the power plays too late, and they're getting, like, cut, which doesn't really help. But yeah, you know, we had so many chances to score, just couldn't do it. You know, we couldn't find the back of the net, couldn't get it done. And also the food that I had there as well, it was really good actually. I had a steak sandwich. Yeah, it was really good. It was like a cheese steak sandwich. Like, I had cheese in it. It's like a Philly cheesesteak. It was really good. I do recommend it, guys. I don't know what stand it is, but it's like a steak sandwich. For you guys that are going to go to PNC Arena in the future, that's my recommendation for food. Also, popcorn's really good. I had popcorn there again as well. I had it there last time. I was going to maybe get ice cream, but the lineup was too long, and it was during intermission. The period was going to start soon. I didn't want to miss anything for you guys, so I just decided to skip on ice cream this time. But yeah, I was actually pretty busy, considering I actually was surprised that there was actually way more Hurricanes and Leafs fans. I thought there was going to be a lot more Leaf fans, but there was still quite a few. I mean, I still saw some Leafs fans every once in a while here and there, you know. Seen a lot of Hurricanes fans, though. But, you know, Carolina, I mean, it's not like Buffalo. I mean, like, Buffalo fans usually don't come out too much, especially against the original 6 teams. But, you know, nothing against them. But, you know, Carolina fans, you guys came out. You guys, you know, cheered really loud. I mean, they were really loud. They're louder than Toronto. I'll tell you that right now. They have true fans down there. I'll tell you. All the true fans definitely come out. You know, it's really cool as well in the parking lot. You get to see the tailgate, all that. That's always really cool to see as well. But, yeah, guys. But, yeah, that's pretty much going to wrap this video up. I don't want to keep this too long for you guys. I don't want to make this too long for you guys. So that's going to pretty much wrap this video up. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, I want you guys to please Leave a like on this video, sketch out. For new, hit notifications, leave your comments down below if you guys have any thoughts on this game I went to. If you guys are at this game, any thoughts and feelings you guys in general on the vlog, feel free to comment section below. Let's see if you guys on there. And yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it, guys. So have a great day, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. As a bean, it's probably gonna be footage from Leafs vs. Devils game. Yeah, the Leafs vs. Devils game will be coming up next. So yeah, you guys should be seeing footage for that game next. And sorry if things are a little bit late for that too, but yeah, thank you guys for watching the vlog. I appreciate it. And yeah, thank you guys for watching the vlog. You know, to this point, I know it might be longer because of this, and I do apologize about that, guys. But just trying something new, and just hoping for the best. You know, just hoping that this will be good, and just so you guys don't have to watch a long post-game reaction. But anyways, guys, that's pretty much gonna do it, guys. Have a great day, guys. I'll see you guys next time. So go, Leafs, go! Best of luck to them for the rest of the season. Hoping they play well. You know, hoping they get some wins. Really hoping that they'll won't have to go to a wild card spot. You know, really hoping that doesn't happen. But you know, best of luck to the team in the future going forward. And yeah, just best of luck to them. You know, best of luck to the Leafs. Hoping they can keep winning games. And just hoping that the defense can really get better. And even Wall. You know, Wall didn't do too bad that game, but we've seen Wall. I mean, he's ever since being back from injury, he's not been perfect. I'll tell you, he's not been perfect. He could definitely do better. And he's going to have to work on that. But anyways, guys, that's what you're going to do, guys. Have a great day, guys. And I'll see you guys next time. So, go, Leafs, go! And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out!